Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's a Monday, so you know what time it is. It's Meatless Monday and it's back and now better than ever. Want to see what I'm cooking? Then come join me in my kitchen to see what I'm cooking up for you today. But before you do, please remember to like, remember to comment, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Alright, meet you in the kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Alright, so today I'll be making something that I've been wanting to make for the longest while, which is curry ackee. I couldn't get any ackee, so I didn't get to make it before, so now I get it. I said the first thing I'm going to do is going to make this for Meatless Monday. So let's do our ingredient breakdown. I have some thyme here. I have a piece of Scotch bonnet there that is it smells very hot, so I'm just going to use a piece. I have some chopped onion, tomato, sweet pepper, carrot, pimento, garlic, ginger. I have a piece of red sweet pepper there that I'm going to use later, some diced Irish potato, and a little less than a tablespoon of curry powder, real spicy curry powder there. And then the star of the show now is the ackee there. Alright, I know you probably never heard of curry ackee before, but as I already said, don't knock it till you try it. So let's begin, guys. So here, you know, I normally start flavoring my pot. So I'm adding a garlic peg there and two sprigs of thyme there. And so I'm just gonna press that in so I can get out all the flavor from the garlic there. And I also have a piece of ginger that I grated. I have a small piece leaf, so I'm just gonna add it to the oil to get out the flavor in there as well. And now I'm going to add my curry. So as to, you know, start cooking the curry. This is how I normally do my curry. I normally burn it off first. So I'm just gonna add it to the oil here and then cook it down for about 3 minutes on low flame. Yeah man, so I'm going to cook off the rawness of the curry here for about 3 minutes. Yeah man, while constantly stirring, guys. So it's now 3 minutes and we're now ready to add the other ingredients here. So we're adding the onion to the pot here, and also the Irish potato. And I'm adding the Irish potato first so that it can cook down, because it's the thing that's going to take the longest to cook. So I'm adding that first there. So I'm going to cook down the Irish potato for about 5 minutes along with the onion there, and the onion is going to get sweet and delicious in there, and then soften up the Irish potato. So I'm going to cover that for it to steam down a bit and soften the potato. Alright, so this has been now about 6 minutes and the potatoes are softened and the onions caramelized, and the smell is so intense in there. So we're now adding all the other ingredients now, the seasonings I should say. So adding everything to the pot there. Garlic, and as soon as that hit the pot there, man, the smell that is coming out of the kitchen. And guys, who says, you know, eating meatless you can't, you know, have curry? Who would have thought? Yeah man, so you see it smells so good, guys. I just want you guys to try this. Alright, so we're just gonna stir that and get everything incorporated there. Tell me that's not beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh man, and the smell, it's so intense in here, so intense. Man, so I don't know if curry ackee is a thing. I make sure I didn't even go to look to check to see if curry ackee is a thing, but I just decided that I needed to, you know, try doing that, and I did. And yeah man. Alright, so we're adding about half a teaspoon of salt there. Not too much salt, guys. I don't like too much salt. Right. And then about half a teaspoon of my green seasoning. And you know, I always say I don't waste anything, so make sure to rinse out the teaspoon there to get out all the green seasoning. So just going to allow that to just simmer. Man, and the smell there, I can't describe the smell to you guys. It's so intense. Now it's time for the piece de resistance, and which is the ackee. So we're going to add it to the pot here. Give it a good stir to get everything incorporated. And for me, I don't like my ackee pods whole, guys. I like to crush them. I don't know. I don't like them whole. Come on, that's my take. So you do them however it is you like your ackee to be done. I'm gonna cover it and leave it there for about 2 minutes. And there it is, guys. I tasted it earlier, guys, and it tastes so good. And I'm just adding the final ingredient, which is my red sweet pepper there, and this is gonna add another layer of taste there to it. So good. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's my curried ackee for Meatless Monday. I'm gonna come back with some pictures, guys. So here I have it plated with some plantain, rice and peas, garlic mashed potato, and some stir-fried vegetable. It was so delicious, guys. Even my non-meat eaters in the family enjoyed it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.